The birth weights of 15 randomly selected Golden Retriever female puppies were collected by a vet, and the summary statistics were collected. For this sample, we have a mean of 1.31 pounds and a standard deviation of 0.12 pounds. We first want to construct a 90% confidence interval estimate for the mean birth weight of female Golden Retriever puppies. Since we're working with a mean, we're going to use the t-interval, and we're given summary statistics, so our input is going to be the stats. Remember that when you identify the summary statistics, you need to include units as well as writing your confidence level as a decimal. To find the t-interval, you're going to hit stat and then move over to tests. Then you can scroll down to t-interval. From here, you'll need to either highlight data or stats. In this case, you'll want to make sure that stats is highlighted. And then make sure that the values that are in your calculator match the ones that are on your paper before you hit calculate. Your rounding rule when given summary statistics is the same as the sample mean. So our population mean is between 1.26 and 1.36 pounds. For Part B, we're asked to construct a 95 confidence interval estimate for the same values. In this case, the only thing that's going to change for our inputs is going to be our confidence level. That will change from 90% or 0.90 to 95% or 0.95. So all the values in your calculator will still be there, so just make the appropriate change. Rounding to the same two decimals, we'll get 1.24 to 1.38 pounds. For Part C, it says, what do you notice about the interval widths? When we are 90% confident, our values fall between 1.6 and 1.36 on the number line. As we expand our confidence percentage, our interval also expands. In terms of the normal distribution curve, as your confidence interval increases, you are broadening or increasing the coverage, which is expanding the critical value limits that will contain your true values. Because of this, we want to be able to then use this information to interpret the confidence interval estimate that more confidently expresses our information. So in this case, because the 95% confidence interval gives us a wider range of values, that's the one that we're going to use. We are 95% confident that the true value of the population mean birth weight of Golden Retriever female puppies is between 1.24 and 1.38 pounds. Remember that it's really important that you specify the breed of the animal as well as the sex of the animal.